Hi everyone, my name is Asma. I'm from India and mom of two beautiful kids, mashallah. So today I'm here at Mamzar Beach, Dubai, and enjoying the lovely breeze over here. I'll just show you a little bit around this beach. Yeah, you can see. Oh, yeah, beautiful, right? And the breeze is so lovely, beautiful. So if you're watching this video, I'm sure you're looking for something to do online, right? This was the same situation of mine last year. I was looking for something to do online. For those people who already know me, will also be knowing that I was a full-time teacher last year for many years actually. And I was looking for something to do online from the beginning. That's when I came across this ad on my news feed. I clicked on the ad. That was my mentor's ad. I clicked on the ad, registered with my name and email ID, and watched the free webinar and entered the business. Like I told you that I was always looking for something to do online. The reason being that uh, I was always like juggling between my work and my kids. It was always a big, what do we say, it was very difficult for me actually to manage both the kids and the work at the same time. I was not giving time to my kids actually. My family was really getting neglected. Either one was suffering, like either my family was was suffering, or my work was suffering. So like I told you, I was always looking for something to do online, and I registered on this website with my name and email ID, and I entered the business. Now it's almost alhamdulillah 7 months, and I will just tell you the benefits what I have got after getting into this business. Number one, flexibility of time. This business provides flexibility of time. It's like I choose when to work. I choose the timings for the work. There is no fixed schedule which I need to follow. I decide when to work, whether I want to work 2 days a week, 3 days a week, or whether I want to give 15 minutes to the work or half an hour to the work. It's totally up to me how much time I want to give to this business. And the second benefit is that the whole system is automated. Like now over here, you can see that I'm over here, but my business is working on, it's going on at the background. I don't have to be online 24 hours. I don't have to attend the business 24 hours. It's going on at the background. I don't have to worry about it. So that was the second benefit. So likewise, there are many such benefits which you will be getting once you join this business. And why I'm so happy after joining this business. Like I told you, I was really finding it difficult to give time to both my family and my business. My work. I was finding it very difficult. You can see a beautiful bird has come over here. I'll just show you. I don't know whether you're able to see or not. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I'll continue. So like I was finding it very difficult to give time to my work and family. I have come here often because number one, I love this beach. Secondly, my parents' home is also very close to this beach. So like I told you, last year I was finding it very difficult. One or the other was getting neglected. Either the work or the family was getting neglected. So that's when I decided that no, I need to do something online. And the benefit, like I told you, why I'm so happy today. Because I'm here physically and mentally with my family. This was not the case earlier. Like last year, it was not the case. Physically, I was with my family. But mentally, I was at my workplace. Planning, deciding what to do, like next day the planning, what I'm going to plan, like how will I plan, what will I do, what like the work was never ending. I don't know, the work was really never ending. It was, that's the reason I decided. And today you can see that I'm here now, enjoying myself, the cool breeze, mentally and physically really enjoying myself. My family is also with me. They are also enjoying this beautiful weather, the beautiful breeze. So I feel that yes, I've taken the correct decision at the right time. Like I told you, I've got two beautiful sons, mashallah, two beautiful kids. Both are very young. One is 3 years, the other one is 9 years. 3 years, of course, needs my attention. Even the 9-year-old, he is not so matured, for especially for his studies. His studies got really neglected when I was working. So, Alhamdulillah, now that I took the decision, I can give him also a lot of time. I can give my little one also a lot of time. So basically this business has given me a lot of happiness, mashallah, alhamdulillah, that you can see on my face. And the most important thing, one more thing I would like to share with you. My parents, like I told you before also, that my parents stay close by. Whenever I used to decide that I want to go to meet my parents, it always was like I had to seek permission from many people to visit my parents. I had to sign papers for leave, whether it's 1 day leave, 2 days leave. Now, alhamdulillah, I don't have to ask anyone, I don't have to seek permission from anyone to visit my parents. Whenever I want, I can just pack my bags and come and visit my parents. You can see the happiness. Alhamdulillah, this business has given me a lot. So if my story resonates with you and you want to learn more about this business, please feel free to register with your name and email ID and watch the free webinar, and see you on the other side. Bye. Take care. God bless.